Hello everyone. Today your teacher is going to discuss in detail another problem about the fundamental principle behind area. Now let's take a look at this question together. The height of the parallelogram is 8. Find the area of the parallelogram. So, what is the fundamental principle behind calculating area? Many teachers haven't explained this in a clear and understandable way, or can't explain it well, and it's not mentioned in the textbooks either. You might see a quadrilateral or a pentagon, but the fundamental principle behind area is actually about having one vertical and one horizontal forming a right angle. That is the true essence of area, not the shape you see from the outside. Whether it's a pentagon, hexagon, or triangle, that's not what matters. One vertical, one horizontal. The right angle formed by these two elements is exactly what gives you the area. That's essentially what area is, right? So when we look at this particular quadrilateral, it's really the same principle. It's all about its base and its height. The base and the height, when considered together, form it. That's it. A right angle. It forms a right angle, which is a 90-degree angle. So the base times the height gives you the area. No matter how you draw or construct this particular quadrilateral, its underlying logic never changes. The principle lies right here. If you then divide the base times the height by 2, that's the area of a triangle. So that's how it works. So everyone, you need to understand it this way. To truly master mathematical thinking, you have to learn the fundamental principles. That's the only way to really grasp the core of problem solving. Let's look at the problem again. See, this quadrilateral problem has already been given to us. And this one it's 10 here, right? The base here is 10, and the slanted side here is 7, correct? Now, the problem tells us that the height of the quadrilateral is 8. So, where is this height? The problem already tells us that the height is 8 as given, so this 8. If you pair it with a base, then you can form the area, and we can find the area. So, where is this height? Is it here? Is this 8? Is this the height? That's actually a slanted side, so the height being 8 here definitely doesn't work at all. That's not it. The height isn't located here. So, where exactly is the height? Well, we already know. Hey, let's look again. This side right here is 10. Right, this side is 10. Okay. So if you want to make the height 8 with this 10, that's simply impossible because it's clearly written right here that it's actually 7. So in other words, we should use this slanted side as the base instead. If we use this slanted side as the base, then we can draw it in for him.